Hello, I'm Lawrence Sott, and I'm here to talk about the Green Bonds for Sustainable Landscapes initiative, which is aimed at improving the productivity, profitability, and environmental impact of forestry, agriculture, and agroforestry in the Peruvian Amazon. Did you know that 60% of the emissions of greenhouse gases come from the agricultural and forestry sectors, and that agriculture and forestry emissions are projected to increase by 50% by the year 2030? The problem is that the largest parts of these emissions come from deforestation practiced by small and medium-sized farmers who use slash-and-burn agriculture to produce their crops. Since farmers don't have enough money to buy inputs such as fertilizers, they cut down new areas of forest to replace the worn-out plots that no longer produce acceptable crop yields. In effect, they use forests instead of inputs. Credit could be a solution to this problem because it would enable farmers to buy inputs. But at the present time, only 9% of the farmers use formal credit as a result of the absence of credit institutions where farmers live, or the inability of farmers to comply with the conditions of the loans. If farmers had greater access to credit under more favorable conditions, the slash-and-burn cycle can be broken, while simultaneously increasing productivity and reducing the emissions of greenhouse gases. Within this context, green bonds are seen as a tool to close the gap between farmers' needs and the availability of capital, while at the same time improving the environmental sustainability of farms and landscapes. In order to promote the development and use of green bonds in Peru, an incubator is needed in order to bring together supply and demand, reduce investment risk, and marshal policies and international assistance aimed at facilitating a production, protection, business model that aims at sustainably increasing agricultural and forestry production while conserving and restoring forests.